Let us take a look how you can add some sparkle to your pictures or thumbs. In this short video you will learn to create your own sparkle that you can reuse over and over. It is quite easy and you can do this with any editor as long as you can create shapes and have access to the blur function. In this video we are using an old version of Corel Draw, X3. First, create a rectangle, and fill it with black. Then select shapes and choose a triangular shape. Now draw a long and thin triangle, like this, and fill it with white. Then duplicate the triangle, and position it at a 90-degree angle. Like this. Do this twice more until you have this shape. Select the whole shape and go to outline. Select none or no outline. On the black background it looks like this. Now draw a perfect circle. Remove the outline, and fill it white. Back to the original four-sided shape. Select the whole shape and duplicate. Then rotate the shape 45 degrees, and scale it down to about 75%. Center it over the original shape. On our circular shape, select the circle and convert it to a bitmap. Then add the blur effect to it. Play around with the blur radius until you are happy. Center the blur circle over the original shape. It looks like we have a sparkle, but we have to save it so we can use it over and over again. To do this we are going to create a PNG file, and we are going to make the background transparent. Select the whole shape, go to File, Export, and select PNG. Tick the transparent background box, and OK. Make sure the transparency parameters are set and click OK. Now import the sparkle we just created and place it over the black background, to make sure the background is transparent. Let's play around with our new sparkle. I am going to import a few images and quickly demonstrate the difference a sparkle can make to a picture. You have to play around with the size and positioning of your sparkle, or sparkles, in an image, until it looks realistic. Rotate your sparkle 40 degrees for an amazing effect. Position your sparkle on an edge, and change its size until it looks right. You can add multiple sparkles to an image as well. It just gives a bit of sparkle to an image. Thank you to everyone who watched and we hope you found some value in this video. Need to Know likes to explore and bring to its audience things that are new, interesting and free. For those who have hit that subscribe button, our next video is in production. Thank you for watching and see you soon.